Vietnam is fast becoming a hotspot for attracting investment. With its high economic growth, the country has seen a 6% increase in average GDP for the last 20 years. The stable political and social environment is also an advantage for long-term investment. Until now, there have been more than 100 countries and territories investing into Vietnam. Foreign direct investment, or FDI, has increased annually in both number of projects and the amount of investment capital. Foreign portfolio investment, or FPI, has really become an important part of the development of Vietnam. Vietnam has proved to be an ideal destination for international investors. Vina Capital is the leading financial investment fund in Vietnam, with a diversified portfolio of investment managing nearly $2 billion. Established in 2003, Vina Capital now has a group of chief executive officers who has the experience in international investment and hundreds of investment projects across the country. Vina Capital is proud of contributing to the development of Vietnam's economy and society. Bá Thiện II Industrial Zone, one of the target projects of Vina Capital's investment fund, is invested and managed directly by Vina CPK Company Limited. Its headquarters is in Binh Xuyên District, Vĩnh Phúc Province. Bá Thiện II Industrial Zone is situated at a favorable location, which is 50 kilometers to the west of Hanoi and 50 kilometers from Bắc Ninh Samsung and Thái Nguyên Samsung, and 160 kilometers from Hải Phòng Port and 180 kilometers from Cà Lân. Bá Thiện II Industrial Zone has a favorable road system connecting provinces in the area, such as Highway number 2 and Highway number 18, the Nội Bài Lào Cai China Trans-Asia Highway, and adjacent to the Ring Road number 4 of Hanoi, and so on. These advantages form a major attraction for investors for Bá Thiện II Industrial Zone. Bá Thiện II Industrial Zone has a total area of 308 hectares. It has been developing with an environmentally friendly vision and serving manufacturing industries, electronics, and sustainable high-tech industry. Bá Thiện II Industrial Zone has a prominent advantage of being built on a stable ground, which saves building costs of factories to investors in the first place. The infrastructure has been built and equipped with modern technology, catering for effective production, including water supply system with a total capacity of 12,000 cubic meters per day, capable of covering the needs of production and daily activities for the entire industrial zone. Wastewater treatment plant with a total capacity of 10,000 cubic meters per day. It has been constructed and completed within the industrial zone so that the water's quality reaches the A-level standard before discharging into the environment. Additionally, this industrial zone is equipped with a stable power supply from 110 to 220 kV grid, which is part of the national electrical grid. The total capacity is 126 MVA and is connected to each enterprise. Besides, investors in this industrial zone can easily connect and use services such as customs, aviation, tax, and various agencies of the authorities. At the same time, a series of public services are provided, including banking, healthcare, post office, supermarkets, shopping center, and so on. An important factor to the stable development of the enterprise is the labor force. Vĩnh Phúc Province, where Bá Thiện II Industrial Zone is located, has a population of nearly 1.2 million people, including 700,000 employees, which accounts for 61.1% of the total population. Employees in Vĩnh Phúc Province are relatively young, who are able to fast receive modern technology as well as advanced management capability to meet the investors' demand. Through collaboration with more than 20 universities, colleges, and vocational schools located near Bá Thiện II Industrial Zone, As many as 20,000 to 30,000 skilled employees are trained and supplied annually. That meets the demand for labor force of the factories in the industrial zone. Although it is a new industrial zone in the process of completing its infrastructure, Bá Thiện II industrial zone has gradually built its trust among foreign investors, namely Nippon Paint Vĩnh Phúc, Sư cư Gia cứ Việt Nam, DSTV-na, Seconics, and so on. Together with a fresh living space, the industrial zone also has a full range of utility services. There are lots of open spaces with green trees that form a living and working environment close to nature. 14% of the total area is full of green trees, which creates a big lung for the entire industrial zone. Moreover, Bá Thiện II industrial zone is also near to famous sightseeing places, tourist resorts in the north such as Đại Lại Lake, Golf and Đại Lại Resort, golf courses of Tam Đảo, Đầm Vạc, Minh Trí, as well as Tam Đảo National Park. One-stop service is used with the purpose of saving time and cost for customers. We pay attention to supplying and developing the one-stop service in order to consult and support the investment procedures and activities of the enterprise from the beginning. Supporting to complete the paperwork of investment certificate and business license. Supporting to complete the legal procedures after receiving investment certificate. Supporting and implementing the procedures to apply for construction permit, environmental impact assessment report. Guiding the application of work permit for foreigners, supporting the recruitment and training. With the above-mentioned comprehensive support services, Bá Thiện II Industrial Zone is promising to provide optimal values for investors. With the prominent advantages, Bá Thiện II Industrial Zone is really an ideal destination for investors.